Kunal Kohli, noted Indian film director, filmmaker, is also joining us on this broadcast. Kunal, everyone has been left stunned and a little wanting for words because nobody could have seen something like this coming, that too from someone like Sushant. What are your first thoughts and what is it do you think this means for the industry? Because it was a very bright young talent that the industry has lost today.
You know, I used to meet Sushant almost 3-4 times a week. We used to go to the same gym in Taj Lands End in Bombay. So almost 3 to 4 times a week. Our timings used to match, and every morning we used to meet. And he was a bright young boy, full of life, full of energy. See, we all go through films not working, and we go through ups and downs in life, and we fight them. And he never seemed to be someone who is going to be overcome to such a tremendous way by whatever he was going through. And we've discussed hit films, we've discussed films not working, we've discussed all this. And I never had even the slightest of thought process or doubt that he would ever do something like this. I mean, I can't, it took me a long time to believe that this news is true. I thought it's a fake news. And I thought it's just rubbish people are talking. But I just request everybody out there to not circulate pictures, to not, think about, to not do any conjecture about what happened. We have to think about his family, his sisters, his father. They are grieving right now. We need to give them time to grieve and not, not get into conjecture. Yes, we can celebrate his life, talk about the good things that he's achieved in life, how much he's achieved single-handedly. He's come from outside the industry and achieved so much. And we should celebrate his life and not get into conjecture. I request everybody hearing this to please not fall prey to gossip and, circulating images and things like that. It's very heartbreaking for the family. We need to understand what the sisters must be going through. His father must be going through.
Absolute dignity and privacy for the family, Kunal. But, I'm very, very, what should I say? I'm a little aggrieved because, Arun Pandey is on the show with us, and Arun was telling me earlier that he met Sushant at the gym and perhaps at the same hotel that you're talking about just before the lockdown. And there was no inkling that something was perhaps not working out for him or was not right with him. You were telling us the same thing. So, go ahead. It's just very strange that something like this has happened.
Literally in the gym, in the locker room, we used to meet there. We used to sometimes sit and just talk in the changing room, just have a conversation, have a heart-to-heart. This is the last thing I expected someone like Sushant to do. I mean, it breaks my heart. Yes, we are in a very tough world. People need to realize, actors, directors, we all go through really hard times. We are judged. With every film, we are judged. Heartlessly, people comment about our work. Heartlessly, people, make fun of our work at times, not realizing the impact it has on people, the amount of time it goes to make a film, to produce a film, to get it together. Loosely, people talk about people's careers. These are people's lives we're talking about, When people say, oh, he's finished, oh, he's this, he's that. Arey, wo kisi ka career hai, bhai. Wo kisi ki zindagi hai. These are very, it's easy to, just talk loosely about people when they're in the limelight. But they have families, they have careers, they have people who depend on them, who they support, who they look after. These are things people don't realize when they just write off people or dismiss people or, talk against people. We need to be a lot more sensitive towards each other. We get into these little bickerings and these little fights and these little things, not realizing the bigger picture. I mean, I can't tell you how hard this has hit so many of us. I've been talking to a lot of my director friends, some actors, I've been talking to everybody is so shaken up Everyone is so shaken up because dude, he was 34 years old.
I can
mean,
understand.
come on.
I can imagine.
He was 34.
Absolutely. Kunal, in fact, that is why